In this video, I will show you how to add shadow to a shape in Canva. First open Canva, then click on Elements and select Shape. Choose your preferred shape. However, you don't have the option to add a shadow directly to the shape. To do this, you need to export the shape as a transparent PNG image. Click on Share, then click on Download. Under File type, choose PNG, then enable transparent background and click Download. Next, delete the original shape, go to your Downloads folder, then drag and drop the PNG image back into Canva. Click on Edit, then scroll down under the shadow, click on See All. Now you can add a shadow to your shape. You can also adjust the blur, angle and distance. Additionally, you can change the shadow color and intensity. And that is how you can add a shadow to a shape in Canva. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.